everybody? Back on Tiki Fire. This is my favorite Lightning League game. I'm doing a 20 spin challenge. If you're a low denomination player, you can appreciate this, but I love this method, so. Okay, here we go. I'm just gonna run $20 through. These are only 50-cent bets. Okay, so. Obviously, if you're low denomination, you understand you can play a long time on 50 cents and occasionally get some wins. So when we do this, we just put in $20, low denomination machine, and just 20 spins. The goal is to hit a bonus. If we can hit a bonus, if we hit 2 bonuses or more, we're in good shape. There we go, first bonus. Okay, not huge numbers, but as far as the 20 spin challenge, it puts us in pretty good shape. Let's go. I'm pretty sure I'm going to walk away with more money. I shouldn't say that. The slot machine jinx, there we go. We need some big ones. Okay, 50 cents are okay, but wow, that's a lot of 50 cents. Okay, come on. I'll take 50 cents if it fills in the whole board. Oh boy. Where the music changed? That's when I started to get freaked out. Let's go. I started to think maybe. Come on, drop it in. Okay. I started to think maybe there's a chance on a 50-cent bet I'm going to win the grand. I don't know. I don't even know if that happens. But it has to happen every now and then, right? Okay, small little $9.50 bonus. That's good on this 20 spin challenge because hopefully with some of these line hits we can walk away positive. 3 volcanoes right now would be so great with just free spins. Oh, there we go. Now we're guaranteed to win on this $20. Alright, so there's already $23 on the board. I'm super happy right now. Let's go. Drop in a minor or even a major right now. That'd be a great video. Let's go. Big numbers, big numbers. Oh, I saw the blue minor. That'd be a good one. Oh, that blue minor's kind of coming around a lot. I'll do it right now. Just save it. Give me some spins. There we go. 50 cents for more spins. I'll do it. One big number. One big one. One big one. $3. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Drop in there. Drop in there. Nice. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Okay. Could this be the video where I get the grand? Come on, show a little something. Show a little something. Alright, last time. Let's go. This is it. This is it. Do it. Whew. I don't know why my heart rate gets up. But let's go. It's going to be a pretty good bonus. Okay, come on. $29. Let's go. I think I got like 6 more spins left. We'll go with 6. Over $50. Ooh, come on, come on. Few more chances. Do something crazy. Do something crazy. Okay, my work is done here. That's a good win.